Hi, welcome. My name is Lee Miller. I am a real estate investor and a solar entrepreneur, and I'm absolutely excited to share with you an opportunity where you can leverage the power of no money down solar for greater profits on your real estate and greater savings to you as a homeowner. Now, at some point in time, all of the houses are going to need new roofs. Traditionally, you would just simply pay for the roof with your own cash or your own financing. But I'm here to share with you there's a much better way. So I'm not going to read through all these things. On this side, we've got the traditional way of paying for the roof, cash, financing, whatever. And on this side, the benefits of incorporating doing the roof with going solar. So you can read through those things on your own accord. Now, I met with a real estate agent who's also an investor, and he gave me his exact numbers. I want to show you exactly how going solar while paying for your roof is a much better option. So here's his pricing. According to what he had written to Southern California Edison, he paid them $5,000 last year. He had already gotten a bid from his roofer for $41,000 before I ever met with him to talk with him about solar. Okay, I wanted to encourage him to look at no money down solar and to pay for the roof. Now, there's two ways that I can offer solar in this example. The first way is with a annual escalator. In this case, is 3.9. The other way is with a 0% escalator. I'll get into those details later, but the bottom line is that with this solar, by going solar, we are incorporating the cost of that $41,000 roof. We also gave him a main panel upgrade, and we gave him a battery on top of that. So we've added $61,000 worth of added stuff to his house with absolutely no money out of pocket. Now, as we look at this 5 years into the equation, if he had paid $41,000 to his roofer and paid this price times the 6% annual rate increase, he would have already spent $56,000 in cost. If he had chosen to go with the annual escalator, instead of the $56,000, it would have only cost him $13,000. And the other option is $16,000. So looking at these three scenarios, whether you are the homeowner, a house flipper, a landlord, or a real estate agent trying to sell someone's house, would you rather write a check for money out of pocket up front for the roof, or would you rather have the roof included in the cost of no money down solar? Now, people always ask me, the number one question I get is people say, well, what if the next homeowner doesn't want to go solar? Well, right now, on this example, this homeowner is paying 39 cents per kilowatt to Edison. Solar is going to come in at a lower price per kilowatt than that. So if you go to sell this house anywhere in the future, people are going to look at these numbers. Even if we take off this $41,000 price tag, solar is still cheaper than paying for Edison in any one of these categories. So no matter who's going to take over the house, the next homeowner, the next renter, they're going to want the lowest monthly payment, and solar is guaranteed to be proven to cost less over time versus continuing to buy electricity from the electric provider. Now, as I wrap up this presentation, I want to say one last thing. At TSB Solar, we offer a free vacation just simply for allowing us to give you a solar savings analysis. So if you click up here in the upper right hand corner, it says free trip. That will be the page that will explain to you how you can qualify for a free vacation on us, whether you go solar with us or not. And if you're a renter watching this video, renters can qualify for the free trip, landlords can qualify. So click on the link, upload your electric bill, and either myself or someone else from TSB Solar will meet with you either on Zoom, over the phone, or in person, and go over your solar savings report and most likely you'll see that solar is a better option to pay for your roof or other costs versus simply writing a check out of pocket. With that, thanks for your time. Talk to you soon.